alligator, snap, snap, snap. B is for butterfly, flap, flap, flap. C is for cat, meow, meow, meow. D is for dog, barking loud, bow, wow, wow. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning animals is so easy. Make the sounds, clap along. Let's sing the A, B, C animal song. E is for elephant, toot, toot, toot. F is for frog, ribbit, ribbit, cute. G is for giraffe, munch, munch, munch. H is for horse, galloping, clop, clop, clop. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning animals is so easy. Make the sounds, clap along. Let's sing the A, B, C animal song. I is for iguana, hiss, hiss, hiss. J is for jellyfish, moving, swish, 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 swish. K is for kangaroo, boing, boing, boing. L is for lion, roaring strong, roar on. Animals are everywhere, in the sky, land, and sea. Let's sing their names and learn their sounds. From A to Z, come along with me. M is for monkey, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. N is for nightingale, singing la, la, la. O is for owl, hooting, woo, woo, woo. P is for penguin, waddling, flap, flap, too. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning animals is so easy. Make the sounds, clap along. Let's sing the A, B, C animal song. Q is for quail, chirping, cheep, cheep, cheep. R is for rabbit, hopping, thump, thump, leap. S is for snake, hissing, s. T is for tiger, growling, grr, grr, hiss. U is for unicorn, clip, clop, gleam. V is for vulture, soaring with a scream. W is for whale, singing, ooh, ooh, woo. X is for x-ray fish, glub, glub, too. Y is for yak, grunting, yak, yak, yak. Z is for zebra, galloping, clack, clack, clack. Now we're done, A to Z. Sing it again and learn with me. A, B, C, we had so much fun. Learning animals, every single one. Sing their names, make their sounds. The ABC animal song goes round and round.